You should go to seminars. It doesn't have to be my seminar. It could be anybody's seminar. But the important thing is that you actually prepare to go learn the things that you spend a bunch of time and money going to learn. Hello, this is Mark Wildman of Wildman Athletica, and we have just finished a staff and heavy club swinging seminar in London, and we are now wandering around getting our minimum micro adventures in, which means going down streets you've never gone down, meeting people you've never met, and doing things you've never done. You should go to at least 2 seminars a year, every year, for absolutely ever. You should pick something you want to learn and go and get really, really good at it. Every time you go to a seminar, think of it as a micro hero's journey. A hero's journey means you need to leave home, you need to go someplace. You need to encounter new things, you need to meet new people, maybe gain friends, and then return home a different and changed person. That's the short version of it. There's a bunch of other steps in there that you can understand if you read Joseph Campbell. But you should go to seminars because it is purposeful travel, not purposeless travel. A lot of people go on vacation and they just go someplace and they sit down, which is fine, but why not go someplace and get a bunch of cool stories and skills? Usually people should go to fitness seminars so that they can learn to endure properly so that they can go to other types of seminars. If you want to go do California Superbike School track school, it's all endurance hip snap. You have to be strong enough to endure the training so that you can focus on it mentally. If your body is weak, you can't learn nearly as well. If you want to go do hunter jumper training with equestrian arts or learn to do mounted gunfighting, then you need to be able to endure. Once again, endurance hip snap, single arm heavy club training so that you can learn to adapt to new positions much, much, much better and much, much faster. Usually people move from fitness training to some type of specific skill training. Motorcycles are cheap and easy to learn everywhere in the world. Dirt bikes are cheap and they don't try to murder you because they don't have a mind of their own like horses. And then usually after that, people build out to weapons. Weapons are cheap, they don't require a lot of gear, but they are an infinite skill. Anything you're looking for should be some type of infinite skill that you can work on forever and ever. You don't have to come to my training, but you have to go to some type of training and you have to keep going forever. Nobody gets out of life alive, so you might as well die with a shit ton of good stories.